Why is he really good at this?
I had to, I'm sorry.
Uh-oh.
Oh god. Here.
What's wrong with him?
Don't push me!
What's that? Nope. You can do something. Hi. He's way too good. I don't know him.
I'm not doing the next part because that's where my pants come off.
Alright, stop it.
Wait, how do you press the...